Good evening, students. Today we are going to start the next topic of lesson 3, that is the factors responsible for the existence of matter. Okay, so in this topic, we are going to discuss about the factors that are responsible for the existence of matter in the three states like solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, so matter is made up of very small particles called which can exist independently. So we already read about matter is made up of small particles, okay, and that is a molecule, okay, that can exist independently. We know that atom is not able to exist independently. So when the two atoms combine or more atoms combine, they form the molecules. So molecules can exist independently. Okay, so matter is made up of very small particle which can exist independently. These particles are called molecule. Now there the two molecules are there is a space between them or the force between them. In this topic we are going to discuss about this intermolecular force. What is the intermolecular force? This is the force between the two molecules of matter. The force of attraction between molecules of matter is called intermolecular force. So there is a force exists between the two molecules, that is the force of intermolecular force. What it do? It help the molecules of matter to bind with each other. Due to this, the two molecules they bind with each other. Force, more the intermolecular force, more the this intermolecular force of attraction, more tightly the molecules will packed. It means if more is the force, then more tightly it will packed. Okay, then it means it will be solid. Then there is a intermolecular space. Now you can see that this is the molecule A and this is the molecule B. There is a space between them. So this is the space between them. Okay, the space between the two molecules of matter is called the intermolecular space. The space between the two molecules is called the intermolecular space. More the space between the molecules, less will be the force of attraction. You know that the more the force between the more the distance, one is here other is at distance. If the distance is more between the two molecule, it means less the force of attraction between them. Okay, it act like the two magnets. If the two magnets are at different distance, more difference it is there, then more will be less will be the intermolecular force of attraction between them. Then here now we will clearly understand there is a two things are responsible for the state of matter. Two factors: one is the intermolecular force of attraction, other is the intermolecular space. So due to this the particle the states of matter exist. Solids. In the solids, the molecules are tightly packed. You can clearly see the molecules are very tightly, very closely packed. They have very less force between space between them. Okay, there is a very less space between them, so they have a strong force of attraction. Due to this strong force of attraction, the solids are tightly packed and solid have the definite shape and definite volume. Okay, the characteristics already we know about the solids. They have definite shape, definite size, definite volume. They are hard, they are rigid. The reason all that they don't flow. Okay, they are not easily compressible. They all characters of the solid due to the strong intermolecular force of attraction and less intermolecular space between their molecules. The next is the liquid. In the liquid, molecules are not tightly packed as in the solids. The molecular space between them molecules are far more as compared to the solid. So you can see there is a more space. This is the space between the two molecules of the solid. So it clearly shows that there is a more space between the molecules. So that is the reason they have more space, more the distance, less will the force of attraction. So the reason that liquid don't have the definite shape, but they have definite volume. They can flow due to this space. Okay, they can somehow extend, they can compressed. So these characters of the liquids are due to that. Now see the gases. So molecules of the gases are very far away basically. You can see like that. This is the structure of the molecules in the case of gases. There is a much space, then you can see that more space between the molecules. Okay, more the space, less is the force of attraction, and it means they don't have definite shape, definite size, definite volume. Okay,